number one, brew your coffee. And do you want to tell them why we're showing the French press?
It's an easy, fast way to brew coffee on the go. So we keep our French press here in the office.
Yeah.
Half and half. All right.
I can't see. You're in the way.
Sorry.
Jeez. Okay.
Now,
that does look
I'm
good.
gonna need a little more coffee.
And I think once you do this, you can play around with some of these amounts, right? You could.
That's right.
Maybe you want a little more oil, a little less
A little
oil,
more
maybe.
oil. Yes, and so you're gonna make a nice foam. We're using this grass milk is 100%
I'm doing it, Robson.
whole milk. Ooh, that looks good.
It looks really good, doesn't it?
And if you don't have a frother, you can hand mix it as well.
May I stir yours a little?
Yes, please. Thank you.
And there's mine.
I'm excited. I only had 1 cup of coffee this morning. Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers. I like it.
It's very good.
I don't taste the olive oil at all, Dr. Mike.
I get maybe a little
I don't
for
get
me.
the olive oil. So if you're curious about this, you can get the health benefits, the heart healthy
It's refreshing.
benefits of the olive oil,
Could drink this whole thing.
heart whole body benefits of the coffee all in one. I love this trend, Dr. Mike. It tastes good. And look, when you make it at home, you don't have to worry about the added sugar.